Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2016 Ford Escape and I would like to show you how to change your headlight bulbs in this car. It's actually a very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood here. On the left we have a latch. We'll move it to the left. No, move it to the right and raise the hood up. Find the stand right here and secure it. Alright, so driver side, passenger side, same exact thing, no tricks, everything's nice and simple. So here we have our high beam, low beam. So how do we change the light? So actually it's like this. I'll show you on the low beam. So we have to get this rubber piece out first. Just peel it off like this, right? Set it aside, and here inside we have a bulb, as you can see. So we just take the bulb, spin it and pull it out from the housing like this. Very simple. Now to remove the bulb from the connector, just press here and pull the bulb off. Okay, now this is H11 bulb. Just in case if you have to buy, it's H11. Go to the parts store, dealer, or whatever, gas stations even sell them. They are very common. So once you have a replacement bulb, same way, reconnect it with the connector, just put it in, wiggle the light back inside, and spin it. So we have to find the correct position and then spin the light. So once you have the light in, just spin it and it should hold very firm and steady. Okay, then we have the cap. Put the cap on, okay, and once you have the cap on, you are all set. So it's very simple. Same thing as with the high beam over here, and the low beam is over here. The turn signal is over here, and I'll make a different video on how to change the turn signal, just in case if you have to. So guys, if this helps, please press like button and have a great day.